Today in this video, we'll be walking you through the steps to reset your OKX account password. To start, open the OKX app and click on the sign up or login button. If you are logged in, your email should already be filled in. Just hit next to move forward. When prompted for your password, if you need to reset it, click on the forget password link below the password field. This will take you to the reset password screen where you will need to enter your email or phone number. In this case, the email was already entered. After that, tick the box below your email and press confirm to continue. You'll then be asked to solve a quick verification puzzle. Once that's done, you'll then need to verify your account by sending authentication code both to your phone and email. Tap send code for both options. After you receive the codes, enter them and click confirm. Now, enter your new password and test it out by logging back into your account with the new password. If you're able to log in, you've successfully reset it, and that's how you can reset your password on OKX app. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.